Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glip. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Glip and you click. In this page of app info, you will go here to Forcestop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn on your airplane mode and you'll turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.